Today I am going to sing a poem. The poem's name is Nature's Voice. Before I start the poem, I say, please listen the poem with the super feel. Rowing last the merry breeze, I admire the beauty of trees. I felt a touch of bliss when I stretched my knees. I saw the smiling at the sun because I have seen a yellow bee. I played with the clouds which were telling tales of the faraway temple bells. The soft, peaceful nature sound was the very own thing which it was found to me. In this, I conclude my poem. Thank you.